How to enable cookies on Squarespace. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so you can actually allow cookies on your website and people will be able to opt in or decline. And I'm just going to show you exactly the setup of the entire thing. So let's just go and get started. Now it really depends on which version of Squarespace you're using because it could be in two different places. The first place I want you to look, where if you are using an older version, you may find it in here because I'm not going to be talking about it anymore because I don't have it in that same spot. But for you, start looking in the, if you just go to website here, and if we just go to the pages section, click on pages, and just go to website tools at the bottom, click on website tools. If you see something like cookies and user data, just go and click on that, and this is pretty much where you need to be. If not, then you're on the newer version and you can actually go ahead and follow me and you will see exactly where you need to find it. So just go ahead and scroll down, go to settings, right down here. And then from settings, you basically just wanted to go to the website settings and you should find cookies and data privacy. Set up cookies preferences for site visitors. This is the one that we need to click on. So once you click on it, basically all we need to do is just enable the cookie banner, just go in and turn it on. And you can actually see the preview right away that we have this preview, and we can actually see the different buttons that are shown for the cookie banner. Now here we have also more customization options in the banner text, so we can actually showcase the accept all. And we can also do the manage cookies button, which is available right now, as you can see. We can also turn it off, and then we can also show the decline all button if that's what you want to go with. Now you need to really make sure whether it's legal or not to keep only the accept all button, because I think there are some regions where you will need to be required actually to make sure that you have the manage cookies button or decline all button. So just make sure what is required for you to do and just keep them in there. I'm just going to keep it as accept all and decline all. And then we can also set up the disclaimer text here, so you can actually go ahead and adjust that from here. You can feel free to delete it, make a little bit of adjustments or even link to different pages. So for example, here select accept all to agree to our use of cookies, and we can just go in and highlight this and click on link to a page, or we can just add a URL to the page that we want in here. If we have a page that is related to cookies, we can simply do that and people will be able to be taken to that page and read more about it and stuff. And then they can also feel free to click on decline all or accept all. And then here we also have the default message, cookies preferences, and also the layout, whether it's going to be a pill or sub footer, and we can always just go ahead and view that in a sec, or hidden even. But we also have more stuff down here. Customize banner style, click on leave. I should have actually saved first. So once you actually click on customize, unfortunately this is going to be on the way and I can't really remove it. But you can also feel free to change how it looks like. You can actually see it changes briefly at the bottom. Now for you, if you already have a plan with Squarespace, it's not actually going to be this annoying to play around with it. But for me, you can feel free to just change it, change the text size for it. You can also change it from top to bottom. You can also make it, for example, top left, so we can actually see it. There you go. And we can change the color scheme for it. But the text and everything about the text and stuff is going to be outside the customization tab here. So I'm just going to stick to it being like this, but actually bottom right. And I'm just going to go ahead and leave, click on save, and we are good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.